Hi, I'm Lauren Franchetti, chef at the Brigada of our VIP lounges, Amphora, and Society Club, and today I'm going to make for you stuffed mushrooms. So I've been a chef for over 25 years. My first memories in life were cooking in my grandmother's basement. We made this stuffed mushroom recipe for holidays. This is a super easy recipe to prepare. You can make it ahead of time and just pop it in the oven when your guests arrive. Today we're going to make two kinds of stuffed mushrooms, a creamy crab mushroom and a vegetarian style. For stuffed mushrooms, I like to choose a good size white button or cremini mushroom. For our creamy crab stuffed mushroom, the first thing we're going to do is get a medium saute pan and reduce 1 quart heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic by half. Allow that to cool, and then toss with 1 pound of jumbo lump crab and fresh herbs. Today we're using chive and parsley. Now we're ready to stuff our mushrooms. We're going to season them with salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, stuff them with the creamy crab mixture, and bake at 350 for 20 minutes. For the vegetarian stuffed mushroom, you're going to start with a medium saute pan. Add butter, olive oil, small diced onion, small diced celery, minced garlic, and your chopped up mushroom stems. If you like the umami flavor, add some sliced shiitake. That's what I did here. We're going to season them with salt and pepper. Remove your sauteed vegetables from the heat. Add panko breadcrumb, pecorino romano cheese, fresh herbs, and 1 egg. You can use whatever herb you like for these two recipes. My favorite is thyme, rosemary, and of course some parsley. We're going to mix this together and then season our mushrooms with salt, pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, stuff them with your vegetable filling, and bake at 350 for 20 minutes. After you take your veggie stuffed mushrooms out of the oven, fresh grate a little pecorino romano cheese. So that's my version of stuffed mushrooms. I hope you'll try this recipe at home. From our kitchen to yours. Enjoy.